the crab walk. This is a neat little tension movement that starts with us sitting nice and comfortably, feet planted on the floor, knees are bent, hands are out behind us, and we're going to have our butt in between hands and our feet. Find that middle point. You're going to make sure your feet are nice and solid and just lift your butt up a little bit off the floor here. Now you're going to take your opposite foot and hand, these two, and they're going to step together, and then your opposites are going to step together. So nice and slow, nice small steps. And then when you're ready, reversing that, both directions. Nice small steps. That is the key. Itty bitty steps there. You're not trying to take big ones because legs catch up to things too fast. Never ends well. Enjoy.